Hello and welcome to Tipsy Tale. So today we'll be making a very interesting cocktail using two ingredients which are very commonly available in every kitchen household. But it's a surprisingly refreshing combination for a cocktail. The ingredient that I'm talking about is ginger and turmeric. Yes, you heard it right, ginger and turmeric. We'll be making this deliciously refreshing drink. The name of the drink is called Ginger Turmeric Collins. Let's start. So to make this drink, first we'll take a tall glass and add around 4 to 6 chunks of turmeric. Make sure you peel it and clean it nicely before cutting it into chunks. After that, add around 4 chunks of clean and peeled ginger. Then add 2 to 4 teaspoons of sugar depending on your taste. To this, add around 30 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now muddle all these ingredients together, and please remember to use a little bit of extra force because we are dealing with tough ingredients like ginger and fresh turmeric. The idea is to get as much flavor and oils out of both these ingredients. After that, fill the glass with ice cubes. Pour 30 ml of any vodka of your choice and top it up with soda. Garnish it with a lemon wedge and enjoy. Cheers!